friends, good evening and welcome to Tech Toast with Science Spread. This is your RJ Vidya. I hope you all are doing great and this week was wonderful. We are back on Tech Toast with Science Spread, and today too we are going to talk about Facebook, which we have been discussing since 2 weeks. Maybe today let's wind up. We cannot cover all the features, but as much as possible let's cover and try to wind up today so that we can discuss something interesting next time. Before that, again, as usual, I'd like to remind you about the offer that Radio Udan has given you. That is, you can give more number of feedbacks and be one of the lucky winners for getting a free entry to the convention that's going to be held on January 31st, 2015. It's going to be held in Delhi. To give your feedback, please visit www.radioudan.com and click on submit feedback, or through Skype as well you can give your feedback. Skype ID is Radio Udan, or visit the Facebook page www.facebook.com/radiospace-udan, and you can like our posts and comment on any of our posts, and these are the ways through which you can give the feedback, and only 5 lucky winners will get this free entry. And if you are not one among the lucky winners, don't worry, even you can register by visiting the website www.radioudan.com. This is about the convention and the offer that Radio Udan has for you. Coming back to our show, last time we had discussed features with JAWS. I gave you a demo of features with JAWS. We covered only few features. We basically looked at the Facebook page, that is mobile version of Facebook page, and we saw how to log in and create an account as well. And we also saw something called as finding friends. These were the 3 features that we covered. Today let's cover many more, and let's try to wind up today so that we can discuss something interesting the next time. Again, let's start off. First thing, we'll open Facebook page, that is by visiting m.facebook.com, that is mobile version of Facebook. Now I'm using JAWS for this demo too. I'm using a browser which is called a Slim browser. It doesn't matter, you can use any browser that you like, and the mobile version appears almost the same in all browsers that you use.
Alt tab, Netgear, alt tab, JAWS, alt tab, welcome to Facebook.
This is the Facebook page. For your convenience, let me do it again. Alt D. This is the junk address that's there. So to clear it, just press backspace. Now everything is cleared. Now I'm going to press M. I'm going to type m.facebook.com. Now I'm going to just press enter so that the page loads.
Enter 0%. 100%. Document page has 1 read.
So it says 100%, that means the page is loaded. Now to go to the top of the page, I use Ctrl plus Home.
Welcome to Facebook.
Now I'll use down arrow.
Link heading level 1 graphic Facebook. Link create account.
I'm using down arrow again. Just keep using down arrow.
Main region heading level 3 email address or phone number. Edit.
Email address or phone number. This is the edit field. So I'm going to press enter to go to the forms mode.
Enter email address or phone number. Edit. Type a text.
I'm going to enter my email address. Press escape.
Escape. Virtual PC cursor.
Down arrow.
Blank. Heading level 3 password. Password edit.
This is for password. So to enter password again, I have to go to the forms mode by pressing enter.
Enter password edit.
Here I can enter password. I'm going to enter my password now. Using tab.
Tab. Login button to activate. Press spacebar period.
This is the login which I'm going to use enter to log into Facebook. This email ID of mine was already registered with the email server. So after entering the email and password, now we can log on to Facebook. I'm just going to press enter.
Enter 0%. Login button 100%. Chat left pair.
So the page has already loaded. Now let me first show you the messaging feature, which is very important. This is quite accessible with the mobile version. Let's see how to do it.
Terms and policies.
Again, going to the top of the page
Facebook.
by using Control Home. Let me increase the speed of JAWS a bit.
Faster.
Now I'll use down arrow.
Link graphic Facebook logo.
Again down arrow. I'll keep using down arrow.
Edit. Search button. Link home. Alt plus link home. Link profile. Link find friends. Alt plus 2. Link messages. Alt plus 4. Visited link notifications. Left parent 3. Right parent. Alt plus 3. Link chat. Left parent 5. Right parent. Alt plus 6.
Okay. This is the feature that we want. Whenever you hear chat, it says, I'll make it read again.
Visit link chat. Left parent 5. Right parent. Alt plus 6.
It says chat and in bracket it's telling 5. That means there are 5 friends who are online at the moment. So let me just press enter on chat.
Enter chat left parent 5 right parent alt plus 6 link 0%. Chat left parent 5 right parent alt plus 6 link 100%.
Okay, now the page has loaded. Again, go back to the top of the page by using Control Home.
Active.
Listen to this again.
Active friends.
Active friends. It says active friends. That means all those who are online. So let me find out who all are online by just using down arrows.
Link graphic Facebook logo. Edit. Search button. Link home alt plus 1. Link home. Link profile. Link find friends alt. Link messages alt plus 4. Link notifications left parent 3 right parent alt plus 3. Link chat left parent 8 right parent alt plus 6. Main region. Chat. Link refresh. Blank. Table with link Mirali Srinivasa.
Okay, when you hear this table.
Table with 2 columns and 6 rows.
Table with 2 columns and 6 rows. So now I'm going to use down arrow.
Link Mirali Srinivasa.
It says Murli is online.
Link Avinash Sabat.
Avinash is online.
Link Vishak K. Bear.
Vishak is online.
Link Vinayaka.
Vikas is online.
Link Shashadri Sheshu.
And Sheshadri is
Link
online.
Rahul Raymond.
And Rahul is online.
Table end.
This is table end. That means these many people are online. Again using down arrow.
Blank. More friends.
It's giving the suggestion of more friends if you want to chat with more friends.
Link Babish Shah. Link Michael Segli. Link Roy Varghese. Link Social Yadav. Link turn off chat.
Okay, till you hear turn off chat, you can just keep using down arrow to find out with whom you can chat. Now let me go back to the top of the page. Control Home.
Active friend.
This is the active friends page. So using T directly to come to table.
Table with 2 columns and 6 rows. Column 1, comma, row 1. Link Mirali Srinivasa.
Okay, first it says Murli Srinivasa. So let me press enter on that.
Enter Mirali Srinivasa link 0%. Mirali Srinivasa link 100%. Document page has 1.
Now using down arrow.
My boss is so busy.
Let me use Control Home to go to the top of the page first.
Mirali Srinivasa. Link graphic Facebook logo.
Using down arrow.
Edit. Search button. Link home. Link home. Link find friend. Link messages. Alt plus link notification. Link chat left parent 8 right parent alt plus 6. Main region. Mirali Srinivasa active 2 hours ago.
So first of all, it's telling Murli Srinivasa is active 2 hours ago. Now why it has given this name in the active friends list? Because this is the person with whom many chats have been carried on. So even though he is not active now, it just gives you. Still, I'm just going to use down arrow again.
Link refresh. Same page. Link more options. Link see older messages.
You can see older messages or you can refresh. Heard this link?
Same page. Link refresh.
Refresh. If you refresh, if there's any new message, you will get to know. Suppose you send hi to Murli and Murli replies hi. So when you press refresh, when you click on refresh, the new message will come. So using down arrow,
Same page. Link more options. Link see older messages.
you can see older messages also. So use down arrow again.
Link Mirali Srinivasa. Hey Dubbo. Friday at Link Vidya Kaya question. Friday link your boss. Friday link your boss. Friday at Link Mirali my Friday edit send button.
Okay. Now I just went through all the messages that I had sent and he had also sent. Let me use
Edit Friday at 7:07 p.m. Sent from chat.
okay, Friday 7 at 7 this message was sent. Now if you want to send a new message, just use down arrow again.
Edit.
There'll be an edit box. If you press enter,
Enter.
it will
Type
go
a
to
text
the
period.
forms mode. Here you can type anything. I'm just going to send hi. Hi. Okay, escape to go out of forms
Hi,
mode.
escape. Work send button. Link graphic arts. Link send stickers.
Um,
Link send button.
there is send button using down arrow.
Link graphic arts /s underline JBN foods to Z. Link send stickers.
Send stickers. Here you can send any stickers if you click on this. Again down arrow.
Add photos button.
You can add any photos also if you want to send.
Link. Heading level 3 chat options.
Okay, so again down arrow gives you chat options.
Mark unread button. Delete button. Mark unread button.
Mark unread. If you want to mark it as unread, you can mark it. That means even though you read, it will be marked as unread.
Delete button.
There'll be delete option too. Let me show you that later.
Delete selected button.
Or you can even delete selected ones.
Archive button.
Or you can archive it. Archive it means to see later.
Report spam or abuse button.
You can even report it as a spam if you're not comfortable with the message.
Main region end.
So now we are not going to use anything. So we are going to the top of the page again. Control home. Now press F directly to come to edit field.
Edit. Search button.
Okay, edit, and when I use down arrow it says search, so this is not the edit field we want. Again press F.
Edit. Hi.
This is the one that I showed you. In this hi is written. That means the second edit field of the page is the one where we have to enter the message. Now using down arrow,
Send button.
we'll just directly send without adding any photos or stickers or anything. I'm just pressing enter on send.
Enter 1%. 100%. Send button. Page
Okay,
has
now
one
I
region,
have
comma,
sent
button.
hi.
Main region. Murali Srinivasa active 2 hours ago.
See, it's telling Murli Srinivasa is active 2 hours ago and now he is not active. So once he sees your message, only then will he reply. Now let me show you how to delete all the previous messages which was sent between me and Murli. So just press B.
Send button.
The first one is send. Don't use this.
Add photos button.
Add photos. We don't want to add any photos. In case you want to add photos, you can click on this. You will get a browse page where you can browse your photos and click on send finally when you want to send. Now use B again.
Mark unread button.
This is not the one we want.
Delete button.
Delete. This is the one we want. Delete deletes all the messages, and delete selected will delete only the message that you select. Now we are going to delete all the messages. So I'm going to press enter on delete.
Enter. 0%. Delete button. 100%. Back to top same page link.
Okay, now going back to the top of the page by using control home.
Delete this entire conversation question.
It's asking whether you want to delete this entire conversation.
Link graphic Facebook logo.
I'm using down arrow.
Edit. Search button. Link home. Alt. Link home. Link find friends. Alt. Link messages. Alt. Link notifications. Left parent 3 right parent. Alt. Link chat. Left parent 9 right main. Heading level 3. Delete this entire conversation question.
Delete this entire conversation, it's asking me.
Once you delete your copy of the conversation, comma, it cannot be undone. Period.
It's saying once you have deleted the conversation, it cannot be undone. Again down arrow.
Link cancel.
You can cancel it without deleting it actually.
Link delete.
Or you can even delete it. Let's choose delete. So I'm pressing enter on delete.
Enter. Delete link. 0%. Delete. Call me as you called in the beginning. I am fine. Give me your contact main region.
So it's gone. This is the message that we wanted to delete and the message is successfully deleted. Now actually this is not the live conversation that I'm doing because he's not online. So let's try with another friend to see if he replies.
Link new message. Link the same heading level 3 link new message.
Again I'm going to chat.
Link grab edit search link home alt link home link row link find link messages alt link notification link chat left parent 8 right parent alt +6.
Okay, chat, it's telling 8 friends are online. Let me press enter.
Enter. Chat left parent 8 right parent alt +6 link 0%. Edit type of text period. Chat left.
Using down arrow.
Link refresh.
Okay, he is not online. Down arrow.
Link Avinash Sonnet.
Avinash is there.
Link Naga Jared Seti. Link Visha K. Link Vikas Vinay. Link Shashadra Table Net Land. Table Link Shash.
Okay, so using up arrow, let me send a message to Avinash.
Link Vikas Link Visha K. Link Naga Jared. Link Avinash Sonnet. Enter. Avinash Sonnet link 0%. Avinash Sonnet link 100%. Document page has one region and 7.
Okay, now I told you we'll type something in the second edit field. So directly I'm pressing F.
Edit.
It went to edit field, so press down arrow.
Send button.
Yeah, this is the one we want because it's telling send. So above this edit box, this is the one we want.
Edit. Enter. Edit. Type a text.
Now and press enter and type hi,
Hi.
escape,
Hi. Escape. Virgin.
and use down arrow
Send button.
to get send and press enter on send.
Enter 0%. 100%. Document page has one region, comma. One.
Using control home, we'll go to the top of the page again.
Avinash Sonnet.
This is Avinash Sonnet. We are sending to him. So using down arrow.
Link graphic face edit. Search button. Link home. Link profile. Link find threads. Link messages. +4. Link notifications. Left. Link chat. Main read. Avinash Sonnet active now.
It's telling Avinash Sonnet is active now. So now how do you get to know if he has sent any message? You'll have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. That's the only way, because you won't get any sound alerts or something. When you want to know whether you have got a message, what you have to do is you have to press refresh.
Link refresh.
You have to press on refresh, and then you will get to know whether he has sent anything. Let's press refresh now.
Enter refresh link 0%.
Press
100%.
enter on refresh.
Refresh visited link page has one.
Now I've refreshed it. Let me see. Let me go down and see.
Link graphic edit. Search link home. Link find. Link mess. Link notification. Link main. Avinash Sonnet active now. Visited link refresh. Saved link Vidya. Hi.
Vidya has sent hi. That means I have sent hi.
Just now. Edit. Send button.
Oh, he has not yet replied because there is one edit field and it says send. Below the edit field it says send, so he hasn't replied yet. In case you want to find out if someone has replied, each 2 minutes or 3 minutes once you have to keep pressing refresh, and if they have replied, you will get something like this.
Just hot link Vidya.
Vidya will use down arrow.
Hi.
Has sent hi. It says the time now again if you use down arrow.
Just now.
Just now I've sent hi. That means this is the latest one. Using down arrow,
Edit.
you shouldn't get this edit field. Instead, you should get Avinash and if he has sent any message. This is the way you check if someone has sent you a message or not. There is another way also without pressing enter. If without pressing enter on refresh, there is other way also to find out if someone has sent you a new message or not. That is, use control home
Avinash Sonnet.
and come down using down arrow.
Link graphic Facebook photo. Edit. Search button. Link home. Link home. Link profile. Link find threads. Link messages. +4.
Okay, it just says messages Alt+4. If it says messages in bracket 1, that means there is one new message for you. If it says messages in bracket 2, that means there are 2 new messages for you. So this is the way you actually find out if there is any new message for you.
जीत न मानी, एक हार न मानी, एक जीत न मानी, एक हार न मानी, एक राधा एक मीरा, दोनों ने शाम को चाहा, अंतर क्या दोनों की चाह में बोलो, अंतर क्या दोनों की चाह में बोलो, एक प्रेम दीवानी, एक दर्द दीवानी, एक प्रेम दीवानी, एक दर्द दीवानी, एक प्रेम दीवानी, एक दर्द दीवानी.
Now let's take a look at what is called as profile. Okay, first you need to go to home before you go.
Facebook logo. Home alt +1.
Okay, first you need to press enter on home.
Enter. Home link 0%.
It's just taking me to the home page.
100%.
Now
Facebook.
again use insert F7 to open the list of links.
Links list dialog.
Using down arrow,
Home alt home. Profile.
profile. Profile is the one we want, so let me press enter on this.
Enter. Profile link 0%.
Now it opens my profile and you can
100%.
actually edit if you want to edit anything. So using Control plus home to go to the top of the page.
Top of file. Link.
Now use down arrow,
Video link graphic. Video.
Control home.
Videolarity.
It says Vidya, that means this is my profile page. I'm using just down arrow.
Link grab edit. Search link home. Link home. Link pro. Link find. Link messages. Alt. Link notify. Link chat. Main. Link mid. Link complete profile. 88% done.
It's telling complete profile 88% done. If you want to complete your profile, you can actually press enter on complete profile and you can actually complete your profile.
Research assistant at.
Now if I use down arrow, it's telling me research assistant at.
Link 1. Link International Institute of Information Technology. Left parent E and right parent comma. Bangalore.
Now it's telling all the details that I have put in.
Link about. Dot. Link friends. Dot. Link photos.
It says
Dot. Link dot. Link about.
about
Dot. Link friends.
friends. If I click on friends, I can see all the friends of mine.
Dot. Link photos.
If I press on photos, I can see all the
Dot.
photos.
Link likes.
I mean, I can add photos.
Dot. Link following. Dot. Link activity log. Share with friends. Edit. Post. Add like more. But add the table. Like add. Oh, edit.
This is the one which you can post something.
Share with colon. Link activity log. Share friends button. Edit. Post. Add life even more. Add details about yourself. More like add. Oh, edit. Friends button. Share with colon.
It's telling share with
Friends button.
friends. It's by default it is friends. Use down arrow.
Edit.
Here you can edit something, and if you use down arrow,
Post button.
you can post something onto Facebook.
Add photos button.
You can add photos before sending it,
Life event button.
or you can add any live event,
More button. Add details about yourself.
or you can add details about yourself,
Link times. Link with link to pending items.
etc. So now let's go to top of the page by using Control Home.
Videolarity.
It says Vidya LRD, and now I'm using down arrow till we get 88% done. If I click on that, it will show the remaining items which I need to fill in.
Link editor. Link home. Link message. Link notify. Link messages. Alt. Link main. Link videolarity. Link complete profile. 88% done.
Complete profile 88% done. I'm going to press enter on that.
Enter. Complete profile. 88% done. Link 1%. Complete profile. 88% done. Visited link 100%. Petrovenilaia High School for the blind.
Okay, so now it just using Control Home again to go to top of the page.
Update info.
Update information. You can change any information or add new information. This is very self-explanatory, so this page I am not going to show you. You can get various fields which you haven't entered, which you can enter it yourself. It's very self-explanatory, and you can edit any of the fields that you have already entered. Suppose you want to change your school or something, there'll be edit profile. if you press enter on that, you can change anything that you want. When it reads, suppose your school is JSS, when it reads link JSS, if you're going to press enter on that, it will give you an edit box where you can enter your new school. This is what I wanted to show you in profile. Welcome to the world of invention, creativity, and discovery. Here's an opportunity for all of us to explore the ocean of knowledge. This show is all about emerging trends in science and technology, math, quiz, facts, and much more. So friends, get ready to listen Tech Toast with Science Spread with your RJ Vidya only on Radio Udan. You can hear this show every Monday from 7 to 8 pm and rebroadcast every Tuesday from 2 to 3 pm. To contribute any article or information regarding science, math or technology, or to give your valuable feedback or suggestion, please send a mail to ttwithss@gmail.com. That is ttwithss@gmail.com or vidya.y@radioudan.com. That is vidhya.y@radioudan.com. Or you can also give your feedback by visiting the website www.radioudan.com. Let me show you how to actually add photos and create albums. For this, what you'll have to do is first press Control Home on whatever page you are.
Alt tab. Granularity.
Control Home takes me to the top of the page. Now use down arrow.
Link graphic Facebook logo. Edit. Search button. Link home. Alt +1.
It says link home. So pressing enter on that.
Enter home link 1%. 7%. Home visited link. Home visited link.
Now the home page is loaded. So go to Photos link. That is press Control Insert F7 to open the list of links.
Links list dialog.
Now use down arrow or press P directly.
P profile. P photos.
Here you get Photos link. Press enter.
Enter. Photos link 0%. 100%. Link friends. Visited link photos. Enter 0%. Photos visited link 100%. Back to top.
Photos page has loaded. Now use Control Home to go to the top of the page.
Granularity.
I'm making JAWS speed faster.
Faster. Faster.
Now I'm using down arrow.
Link grab edit. Search link home. Link pro. Link find. Link link notice. Link chat. Make. Link visit. Dot. Link about. Dot. Link. Dot. Link. Dot. Link. Dot. Link active. Visited. Link add photos. Visited. Link create new album.
These two links you have to see.
Visited. Link add photos.
Add photos. There is a link for adding photos. Before clicking on this, there is another link. If you use down arrow,
Visited. Link create new album.
create new album. Now if you are going to press enter on create new album, what you're going to get is you're going to get a text box. Let's try that. I'm going to just press enter on
Visited. Link create new album.
create new album.
Enter. Create new album. Visited link 0%. Contributors to this album can add their own photos and the album will appear on their timeline 100%.
Okay, 100% it's loaded. Let me press F.
Album title edit. Untitled album.
Album title. By default it is untitled album. You can press enter on this and change the information if you want. Now using F again. or let me use down arrow.
Say something about this album. Edit.
Say something about this album. You can give any description you want. Again using down arrow.
Link graphic r slash link add location. Link graphic r slash CE5L Osby.
You can add location. Again using down arrow.
Link add contributors.
You can add contributors.
Contributors to this album can add their own photos and the album will appear on their timeline. Save button.
When you press enter on save button, your album will be saved. That means your album will be created. You can name it as plants, animals, or whatever you want to. Now let me show you how to add photos to the album once you have created the album. Let me go back by using Alt plus left arrow.
Alt left arrow. Save button. Create new album. Visited link. Page has one region.
It has gone back. Now I'm just using up and down arrows.
Visited link. Add photos.
This is the one that I want. Add photos. I'm just pressing enter.
Enter. Add photos. Visited link. 0%. Add photos. Visited 100%.
Now using down arrow.
Privacy colon. Link added. Photo caption colon. Upload button.
I'm just using up arrow. Control home first to go to the top of the page. Heading is
upload photos.
Upload photo. This is the title. So I'm just using down arrows.
Blank heading main read upload file upload and upload photos.
Upload photos.
File upload edit. Browse button.
This browse button is there. So this is the one which you have to use to select photos.
File upload edit.
Or you can give the link in this.
Browse file upload edit.
File upload. This is an edit box. Here you can give the link if you want.
Browse button.
Again you can browse photos. There are 3 photos which you can browse by default.
File up browse upload button.
And this is the button for uploading.
Upload button.
Upload button. So once you are done, you can just press enter on upload button. So all these were the important features that I had to show you.
प्रतिभा की पहचान,
प्रज्ञा की मुस्कान,
सबलांगों का साथी ये है रेडियो उड़ान।
रेडियो उड़ान के प्रोग्राम्स की जानकारी के लिए, शोज में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए, किसी भी शो को फीडबैक देने के लिए, आर्काइव रिक्वेस्ट करने के लिए, आरजे बनने के लिए और अपने फेवरेट आरजेस की प्रोफाइल्स पढ़ने के लिए लॉग ऑन करें www.radioudan.com। स्काइप आईडी रेडियो उड़ान, ईमेल mail@radioudan.com। रेडियो उड़ान, a flight of life।
आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो उड़ान, फ्लाइट ऑफ लाइफ।
And another thing is there are something called as groups and pages. Again, when you go to home, the same way as we did, you can go to home, press enter on home, and when you use insert F7, you will get list of links after you go to the home page. And there, if you just keep doing down arrow, you get something called as pages. Now these pages are nothing but they are like newsfeed itself. That is all. Suppose I have created a face about science. If you are going to like that, automatically to your newsfeed also all these messages are going to come. And groups are the same way. Again, you should go to the home page. That is, press enter on home, and if you use insert plus F7, you go to links. And in the links you get something called as groups. Groups also will have suggested groups by your friends, which you can press enter if you like any, and you can subscribe to the group. But group is different from page, because in group you not only get messages from one person, but you get it from all the members of the group. Let's take a look at that, basically how it will be. I'll just show you. Now just press Control Home.
Search button. Link home +1.
Okay, I'm just pressing enter on home.
Enter home link 0%. Home link. Facebook document 1. Document.
Now using insert F7.
Links list dialog.
These are the links list.
Vanilla Cookit. Drop.
I want pages, so I'm pressing P.
P photo. Manicanton photo. Naga Jared. P200XT profile. P photos. P pages.
Pages. So I get pages and I'm just pressing enter on pages.
No links. Pages link. Facebook.
This is the pages.
6%. 100%. Document.
Okay, the pages has opened. Now using control home I can go to the top of the page.
Suggested pages.
These are suggested pages. Now I can use down arrow.
Link edits or link code link main heading graph link the nation. Graphic the nation.
Graphic, when it says, you should know that that is your first item. This is graphic the nation. There is a page called The Nation. It's created by somebody. Now I'm using down arrow.
Link the nation. News/media website.
It is news and media website.
Mo Majin Amjad Petsik likes this 754,676 likes.
That is a friend of mine who likes this, and there are 7547 people who like it. Using down arrow.
Link like.
You can also like, if you just press enter on like, automatically you will be subscribed to the page. That means all the posts that come to this page, that is the nation, will automatically come to your news feed as well. Using down arrow again.
Graphic friendship.
There is another page called friendship. Using down arrow.
Link friendship. Musician/band.
Musician and band. This is related to that.
Leo Jose likes this 7,433,929 likes.
There's a friend of mine who likes this.
Link like.
And if you press enter on like, that means you will like the page. This is the way you add pages. Now I want to show you about groups. Now I'm going to show you how to subscribe to a group. Group, as I told you, unlike pages, you can view all the messages sent by all the people of that group. Let me show you how to do that. If you know the name of the group, you can actually find the name in Find Friends itself, and then you can add the group. Or else, if you don't know the name, you will get the list of suggested groups which all your friends have subscribed to, and in case you are lucky, you might get the name of the group in that list. Let me show you how to subscribe to suggested groups.
Alt tab. Suggested pages dash.
Now we are in suggested pages. So let me use Alt left arrow to come back to the previous page.
Alt left arrow. Suggested link edit and search buttons. Suggested pages. Link edit or link home multiple.
Or else in this page itself, use down arrow
Edit search link home multiple
and press enter on home.
1%. Home link.
It's still loading. Maybe the internet connection is pretty slow.
7%.
Once we are in this page, that is home page, we can use Alt and end to come to the end of the page.
Alt tab. Facebook dash slim. Facebook dash
And use up arrow now because it's easier.
link friend link vote visited link profile visited link video link see link more link false link on link share link set link link 8 link heading left save link setting link help search edit main link code link sn link code link page link event link groups.
When we get groups, we'll press enter.
Enter groups link 0%. Groups visited link 100%.
Go to the top of the page by using control home again.
Groups.
Using down arrow,
Link editor, link pro, link find, link message, link notifications, left parent 3 right, link chat, main, link create new group.
here there is a link to create new group. That is, if you want to create a group, you can and add members.
Link heading level 3 groups.
And it's telling heading level 3 groups. That means there are a list of groups to which you can subscribe to.
List of 1 items, link radio unit.
Radio Udan is the one which I have subscribed to at present. So it's telling me the list of groups which I have subscribed to, and I have subscribed to only Radio Udan.
13 List and link. Heading level 3 suggested groups.
And next link is suggested groups. It shows if your friends are subscribed to any group, it shows you the name of the group to which you can subscribe using down arrow.
List of link searching and file link search. List of 29 items.
There are 29 groups which are suggested for me.
Link searching a new good friend apostrophe yes from all over the world dot dot dot.
Okay, this is a group. You can press enter to read about the group, and if you use down arrow,
Follow the rules period. 1 period. English language o dot dot dot. Link graphic r/kdqlg link join.
if you press enter on link join, you're going to join the group. Again, use down arrow.
Link star 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 Skype dash it apostrophe yes all about online friend apostrophe yes worldwide star star star.
This is the next group.
This group is following all the communist dot dot dot.
You can press enter on the link in order to read about the group.
Link graphic r/link join.
And if you press enter on join, you can join the group. This is the way you join a group. When you join a group, all the messages that all the members of the group will post will come to your newsfeed. Now let me show you newsfeed. I've been telling you what is newsfeed, and let's see what exactly is newsfeed. And there are also like and comment button which I want to show you. So again we have to come back to home page using control home again.
Group link graphic edit search button link home alt +1.
Using down arrow you can get this home link. I'm pressing enter on that.
Enter home link 1%. Home visited link 100%.
Now I'm on top of the page by pressing control home.
Facebook.
Now use H to directly go to heading.
Ali *G heading level 3 link.
This is the first person called Ali. He has posted something. This is in Hindi. I can't understand. So in order to go to next newsfeed, let's press H again. This newsfeed is nothing but all the list of messages that are posted by your friends. You can view all these messages and you can also like or comment them. When you like, an icon will be placed in front of the item, and when you comment, your friend can view it. So let's press H again.
Ali *G heading level 3
Again he has posted something. Now using down arrow.
vertical bar D star dusty 1 kid have
This is again Hindi. So let's press H again.
Ali quote 8 min quote the biggest sus heading level 3 link Ali *G.
Again he has posted something. Use down arrow.
Quote the biggest suspense of life is that comma. You never know the person who is praying for you. Quote dot dot dot. Remember me in your prayers dot dot.
So this is the one that's there. Now use down arrow.
8 minutes friends.
This is 8 minutes back he is posted, and the privacy is friends. That is, you can only his friends can view it. Now using down arrow,
Link like.
you can like it. I'm just pressing enter on that.
Enter like link 0%. Like visited link 100%.
Now use up arrow.
Link notifications low.
No, sorry. Again press H.
Ali Asylum dash O Naga Sharon said he was
Go to control home.
newsfeed.
Now press H.
Ali G head quote the biggest suspense of life is that comma 9 minutes friends link like 1
Like one. That is, I have liked it, so it's telling like is 1.
link unlike
You can unlike it again if you want to,
link comment
or you can comment. If you press enter on comment, there will be an edit box in which you can enter the text that you want to write. Say it's good or something, and once you enter that, you can just press enter on comment button. That is self-explanatory, which you can do. For now I'm going to unlike this using up arrow.
link unlike enter unlike link 0% unlike visited link 100%.
Now I have unliked it.
Link like link com link 10 min quote the biggest suspense of
See, if you
years.
want, now using down arrow,
10 minutes friends
10 minutes back it's posted.
link like
It's telling link like. That means nobody has yet liked it. Like this, you can keep on using H to go to next post. That is, all the posts you can read by using this H. H is for heading. And when you reach the last heading, use down arrow in order to see. When you keep using down arrow, you get a link called as see more. when you press enter on that, you can see the older posts as well. Now quickly, I want to show you one more important and very important thing, how to post information to Facebook. Now using up arrow, using control home, I'll go to the top of the page.
Newsfeed.
Now use down arrow.
Link grab edit. Search link home alt +1.
Again I'm pressing enter on home.
Enter. Home link 0%. Home visited link. Home visited link 100%.
Now I'm pressing control home again.
Facebook.
Press F.
Edit. Search button.
Now when you press F, it said edit, and when I use down arrow, it said search. So this is not the one we want. Again press F.
Friends button. Vidya Hilarity edit.
It's telling Vidya Hilarity edit. That means my name is the profile thing, profile name, and I can edit something and use down arrow.
Post button.
I can post it. So I have some ready-made text already, that is to advertise my show on Radio Udan. So I am posting it to my Facebook friends. I have it already copied to the clipboard. I'm just pasting it in this edit field. Just press enter.
Enter.
It's there on notepad. I'm just going to copy it and paste it here.
Alt tab. Go alt tab. Jaw alt tab. Netmeter alt tab. Untitled dash note.
Just select
Selected.
everything.
Hi friends comma.
And I'm going to copy it.
Copy selections of alt tab. Facebook dash slip.
I'm just going to paste it here
Link grab edit.
in this edit field.
Enter. Paste it from clipboard.
Just press escape.
Escape. Virtual.
And here using down arrow,
I am auto with you can end
this is the information.
Edit. Post button.
You can post by just pressing enter on post, or else use down arrow.
Add photos button.
You can add photos and then post if you want to, or
Check it button. More button. Graphic and no post edit and answer. You can double visit to listen. Visit edit. To own. I am back. Hi friend. Link graphic with friend. Share with friends. But main reach friend. Link. Hi friends. Comment. Link graphic with hi friend.
now before this is the starting of the post. I'm just using up arrow.
Link grab friends button.
It's telling friends. That means at present it is friends. You can either make it available to the public, or you can make it available to your friends, depending on your choice. When you press enter on this friends, you get this. Using up arrow,
Share with colon.
it's telling share with whom you want to share. Use down arrow.
Friends button.
Now share with friends. At present friends is selected, so it's reading friends. Now if you press enter on this friends button, you can actually change to whom you want to post this message. That means who should be able to see the message. Now if you select friends, only your friends will be able to see this message. I am just pressing B to post this.
Post button.
That is post button you will get. I'm pressing enter on that. I'm just posting it to friends.
Enter 1%. 7%.
It's still posting. But this is the way you post the message. It will be done once the internet
14%.
connection is faster. So I have told you almost all the features that is
18%.
required for
100%.
Facebook.
Post button.
Yeah, finally the posting also has been done. When you post it, there'll be a message. If you go to if you press control home and use down arrow,
13%.
you will get a message saying you should keep on using down arrow, and you will get a message saying your status is
17%.
updated. That means you have posted something to Facebook.
Escape 1.
This is all about Facebook. So we are winding up Facebook with these many features. The rest of it you can Google for it, and also you can search the information and find it out. It's not a problem. So I hope you enjoyed this show, and next time surely we'll be seeing something related to science or math, because we are hanging on to technology since 3 or 4 weeks. In case you want the archives, you can request it by visiting the website www.radioudan.com and requesting the archive if you are not able to follow any of these features, or else you can also send a mail to vidya.y@radioudan.com. I hope you have enjoyed this show. Next week let's meet at the same time with different information regarding any different topic. Till then, have a nice life. Take care. This is your RJ Vidya signing off. Goodbye.
La
ला ला ला। Soldier, soldier,